everyone, welcome to our room here at the Hotel 414 in Anaheim. Let us give you a quick tour. Hotel 414 is located at 414 West Ball Avenue in Anaheim. It is 9/10 of a mile or about an 18-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. The Art Shuttle is located nearby at the Four Points Sheraton on the corner of Harbor and Ball. Hotel 414 at the time of filming was rated number 3 on TripAdvisor out of 128 hotels in Anaheim. Hotel 414 offers free parking and Wi-Fi and also has an outdoor pool. We booked a 2-queen room here at the Hotel 414. We did want to point out we thought in the photos that these were bedspreads, but they feel more like blankets in person. We just walked in about 5 minutes ago, and so far we are super impressed with this room. They're freshly remodeled. It smells great in here, no funky smells. And they did a great job with the remodel. Everything is really nice. We love the wood floors. The bathroom is amazing. We're just super impressed so far. The nightstand here, there are 2 outlets in the nightstand. There's also a really nice workspace here. This is a great desk area. There's 2 outlets right above it, and there's also outlets on the side of the dresser area as well. I love this dresser area here. I like that it has the quartz on the top, so you don't have to worry if you set a drink down or anything. It's nice and clean. There is a really large mini fridge here, and in this little nook, there is a microwave and a coffee maker. This room is really spacious. You could easily fit 1, maybe even 2 pack and plays in this area, and tons of space for a stroller. Right here is like a closet. You can hang your clothing. There's an iron and an ironing board, and then a place for your luggage, a luggage rack. I don't think I've ever seen a stand-up shower only in a motel, and so walking into this bathroom, I could not believe that they did that, and I think it looks amazing, and I can't wait to check it out in the morning. The shower is really well done. It's got nice big tile. It looks immaculate. It looks like no one's ever used it. And also on the vanity here, they do have quartz as well, and it's a floating vanity, which I always like. I really can't believe how great this bathroom is. The bathroom also has great lighting. There's a recessed light that's super bright, and then the light over the mirror is also really nice and bright. It looks like it would be great for doing my makeup in the morning. And also we noticed that instead of separate little bottles of toiletries, they have the pumps in the shower, and near the sink they have soap dispensers for shampoo and soap, and we really like that too. It's less waste. We had a warm welcome at check-in. We were really impressed with the customer service, and also a really great thing, they gave us 2 of these giant water bottles. It's 94 degrees today, so this was very welcome. This is one of the nicest motels we have ever stayed in. Look for our experience video coming soon. If you're interested in other motels that are really similar to this one, click here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you.